Reliable and secure networking devices are the most crucial part of your network infrastructure. By always using the latest stable firmware version, not only you will have a secure network, but you will also benefit from additional features, stability and performance improvements. In this video, I'll demonstrate two methods for updating firmware for Teltonika networking devices. Root OS consistently receives updates, so at the time of you watching this video, some of the menu options, descriptions or UI interfaces might be different. However, the functionality will work the same as described. For the demonstration, we'll be using Teltonika Root X11 router, which is perfect for advanced industrial and enterprise applications. To start, we connect the router by typing the default IP address in the web browser. Now enter the password for your device. The Root X11 web interface will open. Here you will find all the information about the router. Head on to the left sidebar and move your cursor on the system and then the firmware. Firmware update page will open. Here you can find all the current firmware information and the latest firmware available on the server. Click on the upgrade dropdown and select the server option. Make sure the checkbox Keep Settings is checked. When ready, click the upgrade button. Next, the firmware validation window will open. Click on the Proceed button to continue. The device will start the upgrade process. Please wait for the device to complete it. Once the update is finished, log in back to your device. You can find the firmware version at the top of your screen. You can go back to the firmware page to check the device firmware version. The second option is to upgrade by using a firmware image file. First, we must download our firmware file. Let's go to teltonika-networks.com, open the routers section and find the Root X11. Go to the download section and click on the firmware downloads. New window will open and we will find the latest firmware. Click the link to download. Let's go back to our router's web UI. Click on the Browse button and find the firmware file we have previously downloaded. Make sure the checkbox Keep Settings is checked. When ready, click the Upgrade button. Next, the firmware validation window will open. Click on the Proceed button to continue. The device will start the upgrade process. Please wait for the device to complete it. Once the update is finished, log in back to your device. You can also easily update the firmware using RMS. Find your device, select it, go to Actions, Firmware, choose your preferred firmware from a drop-down list, and click the button Select. It's that simple. Your device is now being updated. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have learned something new today. If you have any further questions, leave a comment or check the links in the video description for more information. Do not forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to check our other tutorials.